What's up, guys? I'm Kobe Person. Today we're in Harlem in New York City. I'm with my grandpa. He says he started rapping, so I'm taking him to the hood to rap. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I want to hear, I never heard you rap before, so
in the casino playing poker. Are you? I don't need to impress. I don't need to impress you, Kobe.
Is that a little practice?
I impressed your I impressed your grandmother 80 years ago. I don't need to impress you.
He wanted to come down to the hood and rap or something, you know? Like he said he's practicing. He's 80 years old. He's like, he wanted to come to Harlem. He's like, I'm coming down, you know?
I can't rap. You're my balls, cool.
I got balls.
You think?
All right.
Look how old he is. He probably gonna talk about wet farts.
What's up, Grandpa?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
You ready?
You guys ready?
We ready?
You want to just? You're gonna spit like one line, or how's it gonna?
I'm gonna spit a 16.
Oh shit.
Maybe times 2.
Oh, let's hear it, Grandpa.
I never heard it. All right, here we go.
Spit that shit.
All right.
We're in the Grammy.
All right. Y'all ready?
Yeah, we ready. You ready?
I'm always ready. All right. In the casino playing poker, all my friends move to Boca. I'm smoking a pack a day and drinking Diet Coca-Cola. My breast is saggy, all she ever does is nag me. I wear my pants to my stomach, these kids today wear it saggy. I'm Frank Sinatra, I'm eating bagels and lox while I'm reading about the stocks and I'm wearing some knee socks. I got no hair on my head and the carpets match the drapes. I'm so awesome and my coffin is pre-ordered just in case. I'm a rapping old white man, dentures on my nightstand. I know that my wife is so sick of this. Rapping my right hand, rapping for a century, mentally so ahead of these rappers. I got the recipe for destiny, so rest in peace. Suicidal bars like the thoughts in my mind. I got these Rolex dreams, but I'm just lost in the time. And often you'll find that I'm on my grind, still pockets empty. Put the semi-automatic to my brain and let's get busy. But don't even wait, I'm going berserk. When I pop a couple for the troubles, all the struggles seem to get worse. Every time I breathe, it just hurts. What's my life even worth? I feel like talking to God in the temple, mosque, or a church. I don't really care, just need answers, cause cancer it starts dancing all around my dancing conscious. I'm positive that my passion for rapping might be decreasing. Being deceased is better than what I'm going through. Holding in these emotions, I'm bleeding.
You're actually on a prank show. We have cameras over there, over there, and over there, and he just has makeup on. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to check out High Res. He put out a brand new music video yesterday, so go check that out. Also, I did behind the scenes of this whole video on my vlogs channel. Check that out, and we'll see you guys next week with a new video. Peace.